Do you want to know the top smart verbs? Then this is the right video for you. Watch the full video. I'll be back in just 5 seconds. Hey guys, this is Amit Ali from English Cure Home. Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about the top smart verbs from the list. And this is part 1. You will get other parts as well. To get the rest parts, subscribe English Cure Home and press the bell icon to make notifications on and never miss my videos. Let's make a start. Number 1. Accelerate. Accelerate is a verb. It means to begin to move more quickly of a vehicle or other physical object. Look at the example sentence. I accelerated my car towards London. Here I can say I began to move my car more quickly towards London. Let's see the next word. Number 2. Budget. Budget is a verb and a noun, but here we will learn budget as a verb. This word means to allow or provide a particular amount of money or time. Let's have an example. In your examination, you should budget your time for each question according to its marks. Here is another example. The school is budgeting for its reconstructions. In both the sentences, budget is used as a verb. Attention, my dear voice friends, if you want to learn 10 smart words to use at work, part 1, 2 and 3, then you can watch my videos on this channel. You will get them at the end screen of this lesson. So keep watching till the end. Now move on to the next word. Number 3. Collaborate. Collaborate is a verb which means to work jointly on an activity, especially produce or construct something. Look here on the example. William collaborated with me on this project. In this sentence, collaborate means William worked jointly with me on this project. Number 4. Delegate. This word is also a verb. It means to confer or to hand over a task or responsibility to another person. For example, I do not want to delegate tasks to people who are not responsible. The meaning of the sentence is I do not want to hand over tasks to people who are not responsible. Number 5. Eliminate. Eliminate is also a verb. It means to remove or get rid of something completely. Let me give an example for you. Can you eliminate begging from the world? Here the sentence could be written, can you remove begging completely from the world? Guys, these are all verbs of today's lesson. If you loved my video, please press on the thumbs up mark. Leave your feeling in the comment box about this lesson. You can share it to others. And don't miss to subscribe for the next part of Top Smart Verbs. Thank you very much for your valuable time. Bye.